Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. We're going to be making some delicious garlic noodles today. This noodle recipe is such a crowd pleaser that I always get asked to make it for potlucks. You will need 6 cloves of garlic. You can use a garlic press or you can grate the garlic. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 pound of spaghettini. The reason I love using this noodle is that it's a lot thinner and easier to cook. I literally throw it into boiling water for 8 minutes and it's ready. If you've never cooked spaghettini before, go to the supermarket and grab a bag of spaghettini and grab a bag of spaghetti. You can definitely tell the difference. For this recipe, we will be using half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Let's make the sauce. You will need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix well and set aside. You will need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter for this recipe. Now that we've prepared all the ingredients, let's get cooking. Let's start by melting the butter on low heat in a wok. Add the garlic to the wok and sauté. Add the noodles and mix well, and then add that beautiful Asian sauce that you made. And this is why we call this East meets West butter garlic noodles, because we're blending all these beautiful flavors into this one noodle dish. Mix well to ensure all the flavors are distributed evenly with all the noodles in your wok. Turn the heat off and add the half a cup of Parmesan and mix well. This is completely optional, but you can add some diced green onion for color.
Okay, Winko. So we're gonna try what? Garlic butter Parmesan noodles.
Pretty crafty.
What do you think?
The best food of my life. Of course it's buttery because butter is yummy. And it's Parmesan cheese in it. This is my favorite. So that's a good